Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on LinkedIn. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in linkedin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the LinkedIn official website where if you haven't logged in already, you will be asked to enter your credentials or log in using your Google account. Now, once you are logged into your account, click on the Me icon at the top right corner and you will find Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and click on it. And now click on Sign In and Security at the left section. You will now find your password option which says Change Password. Go ahead and click on this and you will be asked to enter your current password first. So within the first box, type in your current password that you are using to log into your account. Then type in your desired new password. Finally, type in this new password once again in order to confirm it, and then click on the Save Password button. You can also click on Require all devices to sign in with new password if you suspect some other devices might be logged into your account. Once you click on Save Password, your new password will be changed immediately, and you can use this new password in order to log into your account on LinkedIn in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.